This is the Asperx 2-pack power bank. This one is the black and white. I'm going to unbox it and find out what's inside. Well, let's have a quick look at the sides there. It says USB operated, no memory effect, quick charge, high efficiency, 72 hours safety test. On this other side, it claims to be perfect for traveling. So it's traveling safe, camping, hiking, fishing, and beaches. I guess those are the use cases for it. Okay. And I can see iPad, GPS, phone, smartphone, blah, 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 and more. Let's see what's actually inside the box, shall we? Okay, so those are two individually packed ones. In the middle there, of course, we have the USB charger, or cable rather, and that's the traditional USB cable. So I'm assuming, so you get, oh, you have 3 USB cables. Okay, so you have 2 traditional USB cables. So I suspect that is for charging your devices. And that is a USB-C cable that comes as well. So interesting. Is there anything else in there cable-wise? Nope, no more cables. So it comes with 3 cables. And that is the black power bank, as you can see. Okay, nice. So it's got 2 USB ports, 1 USB-C port and 1 mini USB port. Okay, interesting, very versatile. And this is the white version, exactly the same thing, and the same ports. 2 of them in one pack. Very cool.